Hello, welcome to Life at PAL. Today we're going to do Igcse in mathematics. The code of the subject, this subject is 0580. So today we're going to do our paper 2 extended mid-June 2022, question 1 to questions 15. So the first question is, at noon the temperature is 4 Celsius. At midnight the temperature is -9 Celsius. So work out the difference in the temperature between noon and midnight. If they ask you to find difference, just subtract them, right? It's 4 minus 9. So minus time minus is going to be plus, right? It's 4 plus 9 equal to 13. So the answer is 13 degrees Celsius. So the number 2, tables record the number of car of each color in a car park. So this table show like how many cars of each color in this car park. So it said a black color, its number car it's 8, white 5 cars, silver 4, and red it's 3 cars. So he draws a pie chart to show this information. So calculates the sector angle of the red car. So the sector is just a part of a pie chart, right? So we focus about the red car. The red car in this car park is 3 cars, right? Has 3 cars. So the first step we need to find the total number of car in this car park first. So it's 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 20 cars. So we forgot about rate, right? It's 3 over 20 times with 360. The answer is 54. So this is the answer, 54 degrees. Next question, fig costs 43 cents each. Layla has $5 to buy some figs. So calculate the larger number of figs Layla can buy than amount of the change in cents she received, so in cents. So it means we need to change dollar to cent first, right? So 100 cents is $1, right? So it means this is 500 cents. So if you want to know like the number, right? We divide them, right? It's 500 divided by the cost of each one is 43. So 100 divided by 43 is 11.63. So what it mean? It means the Layla just have like the money enough to buy just 11 figs, right? So next we need to find amount of change. So okay, so now Layla can buy just only 11, right? So 43 times 11 equal to 43 times 11 is 473. If you want to find the change, just subtract 500 with 473 is 27 cents. So number 4, find the value of square root 68 times with square root 153. So it's okay, if square root a times square root b, it's equal to square root a times b. So we can time them like this, 28 times 153. You can use calculator to find. Square root 68 times 153 is 102. So number 5, find the total surface area of the cue ball with the length 8 cm, width 6 cm, and height 3 cm. So the surface area of the cubic is 2 times width, length times width, plus width, length times height, plus width, width times height. So it's 2 times width, 8 times 6, plus width 8 times 3, and plus width 6 times 3. So it's 8 times 6 plus 8 times 3 plus with 6 times 3 and time with 2 is, the answer is 180. So the answer is 180. Next question. Some cards have the either square, a circle, or triangle draws on them. So P chooses one of the cards at random. Complete the table, show the probability of the choosing the card with each shape. So that we know, like the total of probability, the value of probability is not possible to less than 0, right, or not more than 1. So the total of probability in an event is 1. So what it means? It means, I suppose this is x. So if you plus all of them, it should be equal to 1. So it means x equal to 1, subtract 0.2, subtract with 0.32. So it's equal to 0.48. So the answer of this is 0.48. This is the answer for question 6. So question 7. The price of a coat is $126. In a sales, this price is reduced by 18%. Find the sales price of the coat. They ask you to find the selling price, right? So look at it. The seller said they will give you 18% decrease, right? 18% reduce. So what it means? The selling prices mean they will gain the profit, right? So the profits that the store or the seller will gain is 82%, right? 82%, right? Because in the total of the original price, we suppose the percentage is 100%. If 100 minus 18, right? 100 minus 18 is 82%. This is a percentage of the profit that the store or the seller gains. So we need to find the 82% of 126. So 82 over 100 times 126. 82 over 100 times with 126 is 103.32. Number 8, in terms of the sequence is n squared plus 12. Find the first 3 terms of this sequence. So find the first term. We will substitute n by 1 in this formula. So it's 1 squared plus 12 is equal to 13. This is the first term. So the second term, we substitute n by 2. So 2 squared plus 12 is 4 plus 12 is 16, right? And then third terms, it's n equal to 3. If 3 squared plus 12 equal to 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. So the number 9, next is number 9. The bearings of B from A is 59 degrees. So work out the bearing of A from B. So this one is 59, right? So I will draw. So this one also 59, right? So the bearings from A from B is this one. So this part is a straight line is 180, right? So the total angle of this bearing is 180 plus 59. 180 plus 59 is 239. 239. This is the answer. So number 10, this is a vector. So A, find P minus Q is 2 minus 1 and 8 minus 4. It says minus times minus is plus, right? It will be 3 and 4. So next 6P is 6 times with 2 and 8. So time each one with 6. It will be 12 and 48. So next B, part B, find the absolute P minus Q. This symbol we call absolute. We use absolute when they ask you to find the distance. So be careful, the distance is not possible to be negative number, right? So the absolute of 3, they ask you to find the distance, right? It will be 3 squared plus with 4 squared It will be 9 plus 16 is equal to square root 25 or 5. The answer is 5. Okay, why I use this formula? Because I told you the absolute if they ask you to find the distance, right? So the formula of the distance equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is a formula of to find the distance. This topic, the topic of the distance is on the coordinate geometry topic. So the number 11, find the value of p when 6 power p times with 6 to power 4 equal to 6 to power 28. So this is the exponent topic. So the sum through of them is a to power n times with a to power m. So if they have the same base, on the times, right, we will plus the exponent. It's a n plus m. So, and the next rule, if a to power n equal to a to power m, if they have the same base and it's equal, right, they are equal to, so what it mean? So n equal to m. So it's the same. 6 e to power p plus 4, right, because they have the same base and the time, we will plus the exponent. So it means 4 plus p plus 4 equal to 28. So p equal to 28 minus 4 and p equal to 24. Okay, so next number 12. And cycles a distance of 70 kilometers from the midfield to Newtowns. The leaving midfield, she cycled for 1 hour 30 minutes at a constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Okay. So the total distance is 70. Right? The total distance is 70. A half of this one. Right? Okay, this is 70 kilometers. So the first period, she said she cycled 1 and for 30 minutes, right? So it's a 1.5, right? It's 1.5, right? It's 1.5 hour. So 1.5 here, right? So with the constant speed, right? So this topic we relate with s equal to d over t, right? So what is the distance? So we need to find the first, okay, 1.5, this is the time, right? So and 20, so 20 equal to d over 1.5, so d equal to 30 kilometers. So 30 kilometers here, right? Like this. And then next, and then stop for 30 minutes. So stop for 30 minutes. It is stop. And then she continued the journey to the Newton at a constant speed is 16 kilometers per hour. We do the same thing with this. So the speed equal to the distance over time, because we want to find the distance, right? We want to find times, right? Because we know the distance already. So if 30, right, we're gonna move because they said they traveled 70 kilometers, right? So now she traveled 30 kilometers. Right? So, and then it's 40, half the remainder is 40 kilometer, right? So it's 16 equal to 40 divided by time. So t equal to 40 over 16. Oops. So t equal to 40 over 16 is 2.5 hour, right? So plus with 2.5 hours. So how to do next? So 2.5, right? So now have 2. We okay, the number of hour is 2, right? After she stopped, right, travel. So plus with 2.5 hour, the total is 4.5 hour, right? So pull 4.5 hour here. So and then the last two will travel like this. So the graph it will be like this. Sorry. The graph will be like this. This is 1.5 and this is 4.5. This is 17, like this. Okay, so B, calculate the average speeds for the whole journeys. So average speeds, so the formula is S equal to D over T, right? So distance over time. So S equal to 70 over 4.5, because in kilometer and hours, right? Because the units that they asked you to answer is kilometer per hour. Is 15.56. This is the answer. Number 13. Without using a calculator, work out 4 1 over 8 subtract with 2 5 over 6. So you must show your all workings and give your answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. So you need to answer in the mixed number, right? In terms of a mixed number. So this one is the mixed number, right? You can't convert to be like the improper fraction first. It will be 33 over 8 minus 17, right? Over 6, and then subtract them. Look at it, this is a fraction. You cannot plus or minus them if denominator same. So we need to make the denominator same by, it will be 99 over 24 subtract with 68 over 24. So it's equal to, so it's 99 subtract with 68, right? Is 31 over 24. So we convert to be the mixed number by it's equal to 24, 1, and 7. So this one you cannot simplify, it's more, right? So the answer is 1, 7 over 24. Number 14, Charles invests 4,540 at the rate of 8% per year's compound interest. At the end of 10 years, he has earned 1,328.54 in the interest. So calculate the value of R. So this is a compound interest. The formula of the compound interest is the total equal to P1 plus R to power n. So we need to find the total money first. 84540 plus with 4540 plus 1328.54, it will be 5868.54. Principal is 45401 plus R to power 10 years. So we rearrange to find R over, so we need to cancel power 10s. We need to take this one. So of 5868.54 over 4540, it's 1.026 equal to 1 plus r. So r is, what is r? R is 1.026 minus 1, right? Is 0.026. But I said this is the in decimal, right? We need to convert to percentage, right? Because this is r percent. So you need to time with 100, right? 0.026 times 100. 0.026 times 100 is 26. It's 2.6. R is 2.6. Number 15, find the highest common factor of 12a cubed b and 20a squared b squared, right? So this is the highest common factor and the lowest common multiplying, right? So what okay, so they have a many way to do, right? The greatest common factor and the lowest common multiplying, right? Okay, so okay, I will do like this. You can use by factor or like short divisions, right? So 2a cubed b and 20a squared b squared. So we need to find the number can divide both of them, right? So I divide both of them by 4a, it is 4a squared b, right? Isn't it? So it will be, this one it will be 3a, right? And this one is 5b, right? So this is the highest common factor is 4a squared b. Or you can do like in the or another way by like the expand the factors. 12a cubed b it's equal to 3 times 2 times 2 times a times a times a and times b, right? So 20a squared b is 5 times 2 times 2, right? And time with a times b, right? So this is 2, then 2, a, and b, right? So the highest common factor is equal to 2, right? Times 2 times a, and time with b. So it will be 4a squared b, like this. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you have the questions or you want to contact us, please go to www.phuket.org or Facebook Phuket Pals or call line 081-417-0978. So thank you for today. Bye bye.